Greetings tech enthusiasts and small business owners. Welcome to Tech Innovation Park, where we delve into the transformative world of technology and its impact on businesses of all sizes. Today, we're excited to explore the game-changing potential of ChatGPT, a revolutionary language model poised to revolutionize the way small businesses operate and thrive. And before we dive into the world of ChatGPT, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest tech innovations that can empower your small business. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to equip you with the tech insights you need to succeed. Ever wondered about the challenges small businesses face in their journey to success? It's a path paved with obstacles, each one testing the resilience of those brave enough to venture down it. One such hurdle is the scarcity of resources. When you're a small business, every penny counts, every decision weighs heavy, and every resource is precious. Add to this the daunting task of establishing a dedicated customer service team. It's no secret that customer service can make or break a business, small businesses included. But with limited resources, how can one ensure excellent customer service around the clock? And then, there's the struggle to remain competitive. In a world where giants roam the market, small businesses often find themselves fighting tooth and nail to maintain their relevance, to stand out, to survive. These are but a few of the struggles small businesses face. But what if there was a way to alleviate some of these struggles? Enter ChatGPT. ChatGPT, a cutting-edge AI developed by OpenAI, has the potential to revolutionize the way small businesses operate. Now you may be wondering, what exactly is ChatGPT? Well, it's a language understanding AI that's capable of having dynamic and interactive conversations with humans. Picture an intelligent being that can understand your text inputs, interpret it, and respond in a manner that's almost human-like. So are you ready to meet your new digital companion? Let's dive into the benefits of this innovative technology for small businesses. First and foremost, ChatGPT is a cost-effective solution for small businesses. Now let's dive a little deeper into this. In a world where every penny counts, small businesses are always looking for ways to save. Labor costs can often be a substantial chunk of a business's budget. This is where ChatGPT comes into play. It's like having an extra employee on board, but without the associated costs. Imagine a task that typically requires human intervention, like answering customer queries or scheduling appointments. ChatGPT can automate these processes, making them not only more efficient but also significantly cheaper. This way, your valuable human resources can be redirected to other critical areas that require a human touch, such as strategic planning or creative brainstorming. It's like having your cake and eating it too. You get to save on labor costs while still maintaining high-quality service. So, with ChatGPT, businesses can do more with less. Secondly, ChatGPT can provide 24/7 customer service. Picture this. It's late at night. Your customer has a pressing query, but your human customer service agents have clocked out hours ago. Enter ChatGPT. This intelligent chatbot doesn't know the meaning of closed. It's on the job around the clock, ready to handle any question thrown its way. The beauty of ChatGPT lies in its ability to provide immediate responses, no matter the time or day. This not only boosts customer satisfaction, but also means your staff are free to focus on other critical tasks without being bogged down by endless inquiries. Imagine the relief of knowing your customers are always taken care of, even when you're not physically present. This is the reality with ChatGPT. It's like having a tireless team member who's always on call, always ready to help. With ChatGPT, your customers are never left waiting. Thirdly, ChatGPT offers multilingual support, an essential feature in today's globalized world, where businesses are not bound by geographical constraints. ChatGPT has the ability to communicate in numerous languages, allowing your enterprise to engage with a broader audience. Imagine this. A customer from France visits your English-based website. They feel a little lost, but then, voila! ChatGPT steps in, communicating smoothly in French, helping them navigate your offerings with ease. A similar scenario could take place with a Spanish, Italian, or even a Mandarin-speaking customer. This ability to reach out in the tongue of your customer not only enhances their experience, but also builds trust. It's like having an army of multilingual customer service representatives ready to step in at any moment. This multilingual feature is not just a support, but a bridge, connecting you to potential customers from all corners of the globe. Breaking the language barrier has never been easier. Fourthly, ChatGPT can help streamline business operations. Imagine a world where routine tasks don't bog down your day. Quite a dream, isn't it? Well, with ChatGPT, it's no longer just a dream, but a reality. This powerful tool can automate a myriad of tasks, from answering customer inquiries to scheduling appointments, freeing up your time and resources. This isn't just about making life easier, though that's a significant part of it. It's about efficiency. It's about productivity. It's about giving your team the space to focus on strategic initiatives that drive your business forward. You see, when you're not inundated with the mundane, you're able to channel your energy into innovation and growth. So whether you're a startup finding your feet or an established small business looking to scale, ChatGPT is there to support you. It's like having a personal assistant always ready to help. ChatGPT is like your personal assistant, always ready to help. Fifthly, ChatGPT can provide data-driven insights. In the bustling marketplace of the 21st century, data is king. And ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's a treasure trove of information. As it interacts with customers, it collects valuable data, from their preferences to their concerns. But what makes ChatGPT truly special is its ability to analyze and interpret this data. Each interaction, each question, each response is a piece of a puzzle. When put together, they form a comprehensive picture of your customers' needs and wants. This information can be leveraged to make strategic decisions, to fine-tune your services, to anticipate trends, and to stay ahead of the curve. It's not just about reacting to the market, it's about predicting it. ChatGPT doesn't just gather data, it turns it into insights that can drive your business forward. And the best part, it's all automated. No need for costly data analysts. With ChatGPT, businesses can turn data into action. Lastly, ChatGPT can be easily integrated into existing systems. Now let's delve into the details of how this works. Picture this. You've got your business infrastructure all set up, your processes running smoothly like a well-oiled machine. But here comes ChatGPT promising to be a game changer. And the best part, it fits right into your existing setup without causing a ripple in your operations. The beauty of ChatGPT lies in its flexibility. Whether you're running a brick-and-mortar store or an online business, whether you're tech-savvy or not, ChatGPT molds itself to suit your needs. It's like a chameleon, blending seamlessly into your business environment. You don't have to worry about extensive training or complicated setup processes. ChatGPT is designed to be user-friendly, making the transition smooth and hassle-free. It's as if it's been part of your business all along, working behind the scenes, enhancing your operations without disrupting the flow. With ChatGPT, integration is a breeze. So let's recap the key benefits of ChatGPT for small businesses. First and foremost, ChatGPT is an extremely cost-effective solution. It's like having a dedicated team of customer service representatives, data analysts, and translators all rolled into one. And the best part? It doesn't demand a hefty paycheck at the end of the month. ChatGPT is the customer service champion small businesses need. It's available round the clock, 365 days a year. No coffee breaks, no sick days, no vacations. With ChatGPT, it's always business hours. This means that your customers can get the help they need whenever they need it, even if it's in the wee hours of the night. Language barriers are a thing of the past with ChatGPT. It can communicate in multiple languages, making it a powerful tool for businesses looking to expand their global reach. It's like having a team of translators at your disposal, ready to help you connect with customers from around the world. When it comes to streamlining business operations, ChatGPT is a game changer. It can handle a variety of tasks, from answering customer inquiries to scheduling appointments, freeing up precious time for you to focus on what matters most, growing your business. ChatGPT is also a whiz at providing data-driven insights. It can analyze customer interactions and provide valuable information on customer preferences, behavior, and feedback. This can help you make informed decisions and take your business to new heights. Last but not least, ChatGPT is easy to integrate into your existing systems. There's no need for extensive training or a complete overhaul of your operations. It's designed to fit into your business like a well-oiled cog in a machine, ensuring a seamless transition. With ChatGPT, small businesses can overcome their challenges and thrive in today's competitive market. So, no matter the size of your business or the industry you're in, ChatGPT could be the secret weapon you need to gain an edge.